Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. New Hampshire and North Dakota have become the latest US states to introduce legislation for a strategic Bitcoin reserve, signaling a continued push among lawmakers to diversify state treasuries with cryptocurrency. In November, the Pennsylvania House of Representatives introduced its own legislation for a state-level Bitcoin reserve modeled after a proposal from the Satoshi Action Fund. So bettors on Polymarket say there's only a 27% chance that Trump will establish a Bitcoin reserve in his first 100 days in office. This figure was as high as 45% in November. FTX is preparing to distribute more than $1.2 billion in repayments to the users of the bankrupt former crypto exchange. FTX, once the world's second largest centralized cryptocurrency exchange, is set to begin repaying defunct users who have been unable to access their funds for over 2 years. So users of the exchange who are owed up to $50,000 worth of digital assets have until Jan 20 to fulfill their repayment requirements. FTX will likely start repaying claims of up to $50,000 after Jan 20, according to popular FTX creditor Sunil, who is part of the largest group of over 1,500 FTX creditors, the FTX Customer Ad Hoc Committee. The Jan 20 deadline coincides with US President-elect Donald Trump's inauguration, which has sparked expectations of more crypto regulatory clarity and the possible acceptance of Bitcoin Act. Indian Railways will issue non-fungible token-based train tickets to all passengers traveling to Mahakumbh Mela, a Hindu festival and pilgrimage held once every 144 years. On Jan 13, blockchain firm Chaincode Consulting announced a partnership with Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation to digitize the spiritual journey of millions of travelers heading to the major pilgrimage in India. The NFTs will be minted over the Polygon blockchain and made available by the real-world asset and traceability platform NFT Trace. World, formerly known as WorldCoin, recently announced the milestone of verifying 10 million human beings on its digital identity network. WorldCoin uses a network of orbs to collect biometric data to establish proof of personhood identifiers that verify an individual is human and who that individual is. The company says proof of personhood is necessary due to rapid AI development, which threatens the reliability of information and intellectual property rights. Bitcoin reserves on exchanges have fallen to a near 7-year low of 2.35 million Bitcoin, driven by continued institutional buying, particularly from crypto hedge funds. So this decrease in supply could lead to a potential price rally. In December 2024, Bitcoin's price reached a new high of $108,300 as US spot Bitcoin ETFs bought almost 3 times the amount of mined coins. However, Bitcoin faces resistance around $100,000 and market sentiment is subdued with low trading volume across the crypto market. Analysts remain hopeful for a price surge, forecasting Bitcoin could reach $150,000 by late 2025, driven by increased global money supply and institutional investment. Animecoin, a new cryptocurrency project backed by Arbitrum and the Azuki NFT series, aims to build a blockchain ecosystem supporting anime culture. The project's tokenomics prioritizes community involvement, with 50.5% of its 10 billion token supplies allocated to the community. This includes 37.5% for the Azuki NFT community and 13% for community initiatives managed by Anime DAO. The Azuki company will receive 7.44% of the supply with a 3-year vesting period, while early contributors get 15.62%. The foundation will receive 24.44% for ecosystem growth, and 2% will be allocated to partner communities, including Hyperliquid, Kaito AI, and Arbitrum. Hashkey Group, a digital asset firm based in Asia, has received provisional approval for a virtual asset service provider license from the Dubai Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority. This move is part of Hashkey's expansion into Middle East and North Africa region, and it aligns with the firm's strategy to broaden its global reach. So the approval will allow Hashkey's MENA subsidiary to offer a virtual asset exchange and broad broker-dealer services, catering to institutional and qualified retail investors. Justin Sun, founder of Tron, has made significant crypto moves in past 24 hours, depositing over $320 million worth of Ethereum and restaking tokens on HTX. So this includes 96,591 ETH, 1.864 million Ether.5 tokens, and 260,728 Eigen tokens. Sun's average deposit price was $3,275 per ETH, above his previous accumulation price of $3,036, which may suggest a tactical move to capitalize on trading opportunities. The cryptocurrency market is set to experience a large number of token unlocks between Jan 13 to 20, totaling over $2.927 billion in value. The biggest unlock is set to occur with Ondo, which will release 1.94 billion tokens valued at $2.269 billion. This release will significantly impact the project as it represents 134.21% of its current circulating supply. The following Ondo Connect will unlock 4.33 million tokens worth $85.6 million, adding 376.30% to its circulating supply. These large cliff unlocks are expected to create significant shifts in the market, particularly for projects focused on real-world assets, Layer 1 blockchains, and gaming protocols. Last week, cryptocurrency exchange traded products saw minor inflows of $47 million after a significant $940 million in outflows. Despite this, Bitcoin products attracted $213 million in inflows, making it the best performing asset of 2025 so far, with a total of $799 million in year-to-date inflows. However, Bitcoin's assets under management dropped 3.5% from $130 billion to $125.4 billion. Ethereum experienced the largest outflows with $256 million, leaving its investment products attributed to a broader tech sell-off. In contrast, XRP saw $41 million in inflows, driven by optimism surrounding legal developments. Other altcoins like Aave, Stellar, and Polkadot also recorded smaller inflows. Well, that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.